choosing a database for your app. Watch this before you decide. Today we're comparing Supabase and Neon. Both Supabase and Neon are modern backend platforms built on PostgreSQL. They help you build apps faster without managing infrastructure. Let's start with Supabase. Supabase is a full backend platform. It gives you database authentication, storage, and APIs all in one place. It's like an open source alternative to Firebase. Now, Neon Neon is focused purely on the database. It's a serverless Postgres platform designed for performance and scalability. It's great if you only need a powerful database. Here's the main difference. Supabase is a complete backend solution. Neon is a specialized database platform. Looking at features, Supabase offers auth, storage, real-time updates, and APIs. Neon offers branching, serverless scaling, and fast database performance. In terms of use case, Supabase is better for building full apps quickly. Neon is better if you want a scalable database with more control. Now, performance, Neon is optimized for scaling and handling workloads efficiently. Supabase is great overall, but includes more than just the database. Now, pricing, both have free tiers. Supabase pricing grows with usage across multiple services. Neon pricing is focused on database usage. So, Supabase is better for all in one backend development. Neon is better for pure database performance and scalability. So, which one should you choose? Choose Supabase if you want everything in one platform. Choose Neon if you only need a powerful Postgres database. Both are great, it depends on your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.